Well, I am back in Dad's garage. It is just getting light outside. It's 37 degrees out here, and it is Easter morning. My contribution to Easter, well, the other day we had a fireside chat. Our fire pit is kind of running a little bit on the rusty side, and we've had it for a couple of years, and the kids want to build bigger and bigger fires, and so I was thinking when we went to get our groceries the other day that we should get a bigger fire ring. There it is. It's 3 foot across, and we got to put that together. It's galvanized. We got 4 pieces apparently. Thank you, Dad.
Yep.
That was a fairly easy project. Costed about $55 at Meijer if you live in Michigan. Took about half an hour to get put together, and all we needed was a screwdriver. You can either use a Phillips or a flathead, and was it a 10 millimeter socket?
Yep.
10 millimeter socket that we used for the nuts. Well, it's kind of calmed down a little bit. We have officially initiated it, but I don't know if it's gonna be a long-lasting one or not. Because if you notice, it looks like the heat stress has kind of made it look like, I don't know, honeycomb or something like that. There's cracks in the galvanization. So I guess we'll see how long it lasts, or if it rusts out really quick, or from the rain, or what. But I'm sure we'll enjoy enough bonfires to get our $60 worth anyway. Hopefully it'll last for more than one season though. Maybe if we don't have too many huge bonfires. Anyway, that's our 2 cents for the day. Happy Easter. Have a great day. God bless you.